the invariant points when y equals x squared minus 25 is transformed into y equals the square root of x squared minus 25. The invariant point is going to be the points where they don't change after the transformation. So let's say you start with xy, you apply the transformation, you're still going to have the same point xy. So in other words, this is the same thing as looking at the intersection between x squared minus 25 and the square root of x squared minus 25. Now to solve this, I will move the square root to the left, and then I'm going to treat this as two groups. So the one group will be the x squared minus 25, the other group will be the square root of x squared minus 25. From here I can factor a square root of x squared minus 25, and I'm left with square root of x squared minus 25 minus 1. So this has to equal 0. That means that either the square root of x squared minus 25 is 0, or the square root of x squared minus 25 minus 1 is equal to 0. So on the left here, we can square both sides to get rid of the square root, add the 25, and then take the square root and get plus or minus 5. And on the right, we will add 1 to both sides, square, add the 25, and then take the square root. So we want to get the points, so that means x and y. First one here is plus or minus 5. If I plug in plus or minus 5 back to the original, well, I guess either the original or the transformed, I end up with 0, because let's say I choose to plug it in this one. Square root of x squared minus 25 will equal 0. So that's going to be plus or minus 5 comma 0, and then if I plug it into, again, this one, I'm going to get 1. Because, yeah, from this line right here, square root of x squared minus 25 equals 1. So if you go backwards. And so these 4 points are going to be the invariant points.